Hey guys, it's Tony, and we're back on the bench. And this evening, I wanted to take the opportunity to do a quick little comparison video here. So we're going to be talking about some Abu Garcia classics here. This is the Cardinal Max series that Abu made some time back, and here we've got the Black Max Model 63 Cardinal, and then the Gold Max 63 Cardinal. And then this is the Pro Max 3 Cardinal. All of these are size 3 reels of this generation. They all say size 3. But we want to talk about some of the differences here, and some of the similarities. All right, so first let's talk about what the reels all have in common. Okay, they all pretty much have the same drag stack, embedded in the top of the spool. And, that's pretty much the same across the board for all three reels. Okay, they're all ball bearing reels, and then they also, most importantly, they all share in common a worm gear oscillation drive internally. Okay, which makes the spool go up and down. So there's a worm gear in there that links up to the oscillation gear set, in opposed to a crosswind gear. All right, and all three of these reels, have that basic, design, so to speak. All right, so those are, pretty much, the main, things that they share in common, outside of, the fact that they're all pretty much the same size, and I'd say they're almost about all the same weight. There's a little bit more plastic, I'd say, on the black one. The black one is kind of like the entry level of this series, okay? But talking about the differences, so we mentioned ball bearings. Well, yes, they all have ball bearings, but how many ball bearings do each one of them have? Well, the Black Max here, the standard version, has 2 ball bearings. Okay, so it's just a standard 2 ball bearing reel. Okay, and that's how it's designed. The gold version has 5 ball bearings. All right, so it is a little bit smoother. Okay, than the Black Max, to a certain degree at least. All right, and then the Pro Max actually has 7 ball bearings. Okay, so it's a nice smooth operator, when those bearings are in good shape, that is. Okay, so that's one difference there. Another difference is both the Gold and the Pro Max models have a folding handle here, for good storage, capacity. If you were to tuck it into your tackle box or into a bag or something like that, you can fold the handle. You cannot do that, however, with the Black Max. It doesn't have that feature. It's got a plastic knob on here. On the Pro, it's a nice wooden knob, and on the Gold, it's kind of like a nice rubberized, like knob almost, kind of almost a hard plastic, I guess. Okay, so that's some differences there. Another difference, between these three is both the Gold and the Black Max have the fast cast trigger here, or lever. Okay, whereas the Pro version does not incorporate that. Some people like that feature, some don't. I think it depends on what kind of fishing you're doing, but they, there are some differences, between, these models, but they're all great reels. These all come out of my personal collection. I like using them a lot, especially for a lot of freshwater fishing. And they're great reels when they're maintained well. And so, if you happen to have any of these reels yourself, and you want to learn how to service it yourself, you can check out service videos on each one of these models on the YouTube channel. All three of them are out there. And I go through all the take apart steps and all the cleaning. So that's, something that you can look at. Or if you're in the market for one of these and you want to learn more about how they work and how they function, or what their features are, this is something that, you can look at in reference to. So I hope that was helpful, and thanks again for watching. This is Tony with Back on the Bench. If you liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, please make sure you do subscribe and hit the notification button. That way you will be getting all the updates as to when I have new videos being posted, and there'll be quite a few more coming out here shortly. So stay tuned for those, and we'll see you next time.